Lot number 312 is a 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat. This unit has a rebuilt title. The City of Miami Beach Police Department confiscated this vehicle and is putting it up for auction to the highest bidder. The vehicle, the body looks good. The paint is really nice. It's in really good condition, and it only has 40,000 original miles. As you can see, it's a Hellcat, and it has a supercharged engine, and I'm going to show you that in a second. It has very dark tints. It's got the nice wheels. The tires look good. It's got the Brembo brakes. It's got carbon fiber accent. It's got the tail. Got the wind deflector here. As you can see, there's a clip here that came loose, but it's not broken or anything like that. It's just a clip that is broken or not fastened. It has dual exhaust. It's a real SRT. So this vehicle has a rebuilt title. The city acquired this vehicle and transferred the title under the city name. So now the city, since they took possession of it, they need to sell it. And that's the reason why we're going to sell it to the highest bidder. There are no minimums, no reserves. Highest bidder will get this vehicle. All right? So look at these tires. Look at those rims. Very wide tires. Fender flares are nice. Very dark tints. Got the LED light strips in the front. Very good looking car. All right, it's got a little bit of a white. I don't know if that's wax. I don't know if that's peeling. Over here, I did notice like little rock chips. Let me show you the inside. Has a nice dash, nice steering wheel, nice seats. It smells good inside. It smells like leather. Good quality leather, very nice. In good conditions, no rips, no tears. Let me see. This is just normal wear. A little tear right there. The door panels are nice. It's got the carbon fiber accent on the dash, on the shifter, on the center console, on the doors. Let me show you the back seat. The back seat is nice. It's got a cell phone wireless charger right there, a little plate there where you can throw your phone. It's got AC vents. It's got the carbon fiber in the back as well. And it also has the Skyfall. I call it Skyfall. You can change colors on it, any color you want. Right here's the controller. Right there. All right, let me rev it up for you so you can hear this engine. It's got a lot of noise here. There's a truck behind me, but let me show you. It's got 40,000 original miles. It sounds extremely powerful. Revs up nice. It really sounds really mean. All right, it's got the touchscreen radio, push start. Very nice car. The AC is blowing ice cold. Let me show you the engine. It's got the nice pedals. Supercharged Hemi. Started right up. The battery was dead, but now it picked up a charge. So I think that the battery should be fine. Listen to that. Let me rev it up again, I guess. This thing is amazing. Let me show you. It screams. It's a really loud car. All right, let me show you the trunk. It's got the NASCAR look with that tail attachment. It's got a little bit of surface rust on the washers. It's got some parts in the back. a grill. Remember, this has a rebuilt title, so it was rebuilt. So that these parts must belong there. That the previous owner, when it was confiscated, had in the trunk, and they're still there. All right, that's pretty much it. It's got the Brembo brakes. Let me show you that. Right there. Very nice brakes. The disc look a little bit, it's been sitting here in the yard for quite some time. It was last ran like 6 months ago, and it started right up. Got some big rotors, SRT wheels. That's pretty much it. Good luck.